e-commerce. So let's say this business sells a product, and their normal, basically standard offer is, you buy 1 unit of whatever this product is. It's $135. You have all of your sort of product and fulfillment costs. So you have product, import freight, import duties, pick and pack, packing materials. Obviously, I made these numbers up, but I made them up in a way that is very realistic. And so let's say the contribution margin, which is your price minus all your product and fulfillment costs, is $86 normally. And the CAC, so that's the customer acquisition cost, that's the amount that you spend on marketing to get one new customer, is $40. So once you've sold a product, you pay $40 on the marketing, all of this to effectively, make the product and fulfill it. And at the end, you have your contribution margin post-marketing. So that means you made $47. And so as a percentage of revenue, effectively your CM post-marketing is 35% of revenue. So let's say your normal run rate, meaning sort of what is your average monthly performance, is that you're selling 1,200 orders per month. And so your contribution margin post-marketing is your unit contribution margin post-marketing times the number of orders. And that's $56,000. And that with that $56,000, then you pay your payroll, you pay your other expenses. And so you say, okay, now we want to offer some kind of a bundled discount. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw in 2 units for the price of 1. So the price is going to stay the same, $135. So let's think about, if you're overstocked, what does that really look like? So the product cost obviously will be double, but the import freight will be double, import duties double. But pick and pack is usually a per order thing, so that's not going to go up. Packing materials, probably that's not going to go up. A lot of these other charges won't go up. Maybe shipping goes up a tiny bit if there's slightly more weight, but generally similar. Merchant fees, the percent that you pay of the 135 is going to be the same. And so your contribution margin, actually, you're able to give a customer a second product, which to them is worth $135, and it only costs you, let's look here, an additional $24 to do that. And so that's a big lever. So if you do a 2-for-1, probably that's going to reactivate a lot of customers and convert a lot of customers, and your CAC is going to be really, really low. And so, and this is based on what I'm seeing with real companies. So we're saying that the contribution margin post-marketing, you still have about $47 because your CAC goes down because now so many customers convert because they see this deal, and then you don't have to spend a lot in marketing to convert people. So the second benefit of doing a 2-for-1 is if you can make the contribution margin and the unit economics work, generally your sales will go way, way up. So you're still making actually the same amount of money per order, but brands will see, a doubling of sales in a month if they run something like this. And so if we went from 1,200 orders to 2,500 orders, you had 56,000 of contribution margin post-marketing, and now you have 118,000 of contribution margin post-marketing, and you only had to pay $24 more per order, and you made it up on the CAC. And so this is a strategy that I'm seeing e-commerce businesses do. It's a very powerful strategy. Take a look at this.